So we have a 2008 Sahara Unlimited, and what we're going to do today is put in locking hubs from the Ram Man. So that is today's project. So now I'm getting ready to take off the entire caliper bracket. That's with a 21 millimeter. I'll take that off and then I'll tie it and hang it. As you can see, I have removed the caliper and the rotor. Now I'm going to put some little penetrating oil on the ABS cable, and then on the 3 hub bolts that I've got to loosen, which are here, one here, and one in the front. And then I will take the hub off and the axle rotor, put it on backwards, put your lug nuts on it, and what you're going to do is you're going to slam it backwards like a slide hammer if you don't have a slide hammer, and that will help release the hub. Make sure you take your ABS cable out if you have one. Okay, after you slide it out, I would suggest you either get a slide hammer or you put a lot of penetrating oil on there and let it soak in, because that thing is very hard to get out. Okay, I have slipped the new axle in with new bearings, and now I'm getting ready to put the hub on. Okay, I've got hub on. Now I'm getting ready to lock tight my bolts. Don't think I can. I'm going to lock tight the bolts and then torque everything down, brake caliper, rotor back on, and now you have free hubs. As you can see, nothing's turning. Lock the hub. And now we have locking 4-wheel drive. Everything is turning. Put it back into free. And now I'm freewheeling. That's it. Thank you, Ram Man, ING at .com, or it's actually rammaninc.com.